Welcome back, Maths Explorers. In our last video, we entered the world of algebra, where numbers and letters came together to form expressions like 3x plus 5. It felt like hearing a new language, right? But today, we are taking one step further. Let's learn how to add them. In this video with Planet Spark, we are going to discover how to add and subtract expressions. Now, like terms are the terms which have same variable and the same powers. Now, if I ask you, can you add an apple and a ball? You will say, ma'am, how can I add an apple and ball? They are two different things. So, yes, since they are not like, so we cannot add them. But if I tell you, if I give you 3 apples and I tell you, add these apples, you will say, yes. 3 apples, 1 apple plus 2 apple plus third apple is going to give me 3 apples. So, like terms are the terms which have same variables. The variables over here would be x, y, z and same powers also. Now, 3x and 3x square are not like terms because the powers also have to be same. And the rule for adding is we can only add or subtract like terms, not the unlike terms. How are you going to add or subtract the like or how are you going to add or subtract the like terms is that you are going to simply add their coefficients or subtract their coefficients, like 2x plus 3x, 2 plus 3 is 5, you will get 5x. Similarly, 5x minus 2x, 5 minus 2 is 3, you will get 3x. But 2x square plus 3x will remain 2x square plus 3x only because they are not like, and since the terms are not like, so we cannot add them. Let's just move on further. We have to add 2x plus 3x. Now what we are going to do is, since 2x and 3x are like term means their variable is same, so variable is going to be written as x. We'll write down the variable as x only. We are just simplifying our constants. On simplifying our constants, my answer would be 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5x. Next is 4a plus 5 minus 3a. Now 4a cannot be added to 5. But 4a and 3a both are like terms. So 4a plus 3a is going to give me 7a plus 5. Furthermore, 7a and 5 are not like, so we cannot add. Next is x plus 2 plus 3x plus 4. X and 3x are like term, we'll arrange them together. 2 plus 4 are like, we'll arrange them together. So we have 4x plus 6. Now 4x plus 6 are not like, so we cannot further solve. Moving to the next question, we have to subtract. Again, we are just going to write down my variable as it is. My variable over here is x, and we're simply going to simplify my constants. 5 minus 2 will give me 3x. Now 7a and 3a are like terms. 7a minus 3a is going to be 4a, and my 4a plus 2. 4a plus 2 cannot be further added because the terms are not like. 3x plus 2x would be added together. 4y plus y would be added together. 3x plus 2x is 5y, and 4y plus y is also 5y. 5x plus 5y further are not like, so we cannot add them together. We can only add or subtract the like terms. Taking one more example, 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x. To this we have to add 2x cube plus 6x square plus 4x. Now in this, just combine the like terms together. 3x cube and 2x cube are the like terms. 5x square and 6x square are also the like terms, and 7x and 4x are also the like terms. So 2x cube plus 3x cube is going to give me 5x cube. Further, 5x square plus 6x square is going to give me 11x, and 7x plus 4x is also going to be 11x. So this is going to be my answer. The rule remains simple. We are only going to add or subtract the like terms. So let's subtract. 8m, 3m, 2m. All of them are having variable m, so they are like. So what we are going to do is we are going to simplify their coefficient. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2 is again 3. So my answer is 3m. Now 2a and 3b cannot be added, but 2a plus 4a are like terms. 3b plus b are also like terms. So we have 6a plus 4b. Further moving on, 6a plus 4b are not like terms, so we cannot add them further. 10x plus 5 minus 3x minus 2. So this is going to give me 10x minus 3x, 10x minus 3x and 5 minus 2 are like. So 10x minus 3x is 7x and 5 minus 2 is 3. So in today's video, we have learned how to add or subtract the algebraic expressions, understood the concept of like and unlike terms, and simplify them step by step. So this was Avneet from Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. Book your free demo. Check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. So for one-stop solution of all your maths problems, click the link on the description. Select your class. After selecting your class, you just have to add your phone number and get your free demo booked now. Let's start and solve all the difficulties that we are facing in maths.